everyone, this is Selena for Trinity Stamps, and let's take a closer look at the Party Gnome stamp and die set that's part of the Sweet Summer celebration. So let's take a closer look. This is a 4x4 stamp set that features super adorable gnome that's holding up a cupcake and it's about to blow out a candle. The size is about 2.3 by 3.4 of the main image. There are also 3 sentiments and some ribbons and confetti. The die set has 6 dies. It cuts out the gnome, the 3 sentiments, and a couple of the ribbons. Here are a couple samples from our design team. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!